morning guys, this is your Wandering Joe, and today we're going to review the ToughBuilt TB-30. It is a utility pouch. It has 6 pocket tool organizer. I bought this one in Amazon with 18.96 Canadian dollar. It has a steel belt clip from the back, and it has a tape measure clip at the front and here, so we can use tape measure in here, or we can just slide a cutter blade in there, or whichever you want. Okay, its size is about 44 by 89 by 225 millimeters, and it weighs 0.15 kilogram or 150 grams. Okay, the advantage of this one, which I like, is it is a USA brand. It was made in USA quality control, but I think they fabricated this one in China, which I can see it from the inside. Like, there is a mark on it. It is written there like it's made in China, but it's engineered in America. Okay, so probably they designed this in America, and the mass production is made in China. So it has a very good quality material. It's polymer, it's hard, so I cannot really bend it. So it is advisable for me. I've advised to use it for electrician, journeyman, a plumber. So it's just a small pocket. So let's try to put some stuff so we can see what's the actual use of it. So what I'm using in it is I'm putting multipliers in here, which is very convenient for me in the work. I'll put a cutter blade in the front. You can use also a tape measure, just like what I said before, or anything that clips in there. Another thing is I'm putting like a flat screwdriver from the side, and Phillips screws from the other side, and a couple of pen or pencil there, and the small 2 loops at the back. Okay, and probably you can insert a marker or a big marker at the middle. Okay, and there is one loop in here, which is very like multi-purpose. You can put some loop in there, like what I'm trying to do in here is I'm putting electrical tape on it. Okay, and just clip it in there. Okay, there you go. So it's something like that. And you can just hang it on your belt. Go. Another portion of it is you can replace the multiplier with multi-screw. Okay, this is a very good screw from Clean Tools, which I'm using it, so it's good. Okay, so any question you want to ask, maybe I try to answer it. You can just make a comment down and let's try to figure it out. Okay, that's for the ToughBuilt TB-30. Guys, for the ToughBuilt TB-30, I was able to put one Phillips screw, one flat screw, 2 ball pin, or you can put 2 pencil, 1 big marker, 1 blade cutter, 1 multi pliers, 1 electrical tape, and as I said, you can replace this one with the blade cutter with a tape measure, or the multi pliers. You can replace it with the multi screw, or you can replace that one with small adjustable wrench. It doesn't matter. Or you can also put a mini flashlight. Okay, so I hope these guys help you. So watch out for my next review, which I'm going to review another type of ToughBuilt. It's bigger than the TB-30, which I will discuss on the next video. Bye bye.